Radicals. Radicals are numbers defined by roots with integer indices. They are composed of three parts: radical sign, index of the radical, and radicand. The root is the value that, when raised to the power of the index, produces the radicand. This is a radical. It reads square root of 64, or root with index 2 of 64. It is called a square root because, in geometry, the term root refers to the origin or base of a value, and square indicates that the result value represents the side of a square with an area equals to the given number. For example, the square root of 64 is 8, because a square with side 8 has an area of 64. Side times side equals to the area in a square. In blue, the radical sign, the number below in green is called the radicand. And the number next to it, to its left, in orange, is called the index. All these elements together, index, radicand, and radical sign, form a radical. The result of the radical is called the root. The square root of 64 is equal to 8, because 8 is that number which raised to the power of 2, that is, multiplied by itself, gives us as result the number under the radical sign, 64. If the index is not present, it is implied that it is 2. This is the most common way to write the square root, so without the index, 2. Radicals and exponents are connected to each other. If we raise the result of the radical, 8, to the index 2, we get the number below the radical sign, the radicand, 64. On one end we have the radical and on the other the exponents. We have a radical to the nth power of a, that is equal to b. If we take b and we raise it to the index n, we get a, which was the value below the radical sign, our radicand.